हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा।
In a major move escalating trade tensions, US President Donald Trump on Wednesday signed an executive order imposing an additional 25% tariff on Indian goods. This decision, triggered by India's continued import of Russian oil, will take effect on August 27, bringing the total tariff burden to 50%, the steepest for any US trade partner. A 25% tariff had already been enforced from August 1, citing both India's energy ties with Russia and alleged trade barriers. Despite international pressure, India has made it clear that the nation will not compromise on the interests of its farmers, livestock rearers, and fishermen. Responding to the development, Prime Minister Narendra Modi strongly defended India's stance, asserting that the welfare of these communities is paramount. For us, our farmers are non-negotiable. India will never compromise on the interests of its farmers, the PM said, emphasizing that he is ready to pay a personal political cost to stand by them.
और मैं जानता हूं, व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
He highlighted that his government is focused on boosting agricultural income, lowering input costs, and creating sustainable livelihood opportunities. Highlighting ongoing efforts to double farmers' income and lower cultivation costs, PM Modi stressed that the government's agricultural policies are focused not just on aid but also on empowerment. Farmers are the backbone of India's progress, he added, affirming the nation's readiness to face global challenges without compromising its core values.